Hello, still me with Mr. Mulyadi in the morning in my office. Okay, waiting for the work times. I gonna feel the sounds of this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and share my channel because this channel is very useful for other people who learn art. Now we're gonna prepare some. This is you see that charcoal and doodle and eraser. Now let's start to do. I'm gonna show you how to draw the eyes first. See, I'm gonna draw directly because it's fun for me. Okay, and you can try also. Now let's draw the eyes, curve up and curve down. Okay, I hope you try also and you can do nicely. Okay, thank you. Okay, here the full eyes and the eyelash. As usual, okay, you draw the eyelash by playing your tone. Press up, press up, press up in the short line. Now let's draw the ball eyes with the light circle first. Don't forget to put the ball eyes hanging, okay, on the upward. Look at this. And then I shadow the eyes after I make the spotlight. Okay, now I try to shadow some part of the eyes now. Yeah, and this one is eyebrow I can make. Okay, mark the eyebrow first before you draw the short line for the hair of the eyebrow. Okay, let's see. Okay, by the way, this is my imagination drawing. Yeah, I do this without example and you can do also. Yeah, this is the hair part. Eye boundary first before I draw the other eyes. Okay, that's enough here. Yeah, here I measure it first. I make it equal first before that. See, I make it equal now. Okay, now I'm gonna draw the other eyes. Curve up carefully. Can you see the sounds of the car and the bird? Yes, I explain. I talking in front of my office. Oh no, actually in front of the school. I work as a teacher here. Okay, and then see, this is the ball eyes. Curve. Mostly the ball eyes is hanging on the top of the eyes, on the up of the eyes, because of what? Because some eyes fold cover some part of the eyes. Okay, and I try to shadow it. Oh yeah, don't forget, please subscribe my channel and look at the playlist. Portrait drawing. There is so many you can choose. So many drawing there about the face. So many character of the face there that you can see. Okay, yeah. And I now as the same with other eyes, I make it the eyebrow now. I boundary the line first and then I try to tuck it. Okay, yeah, this is the very important thing that you must know is you're playing the tone of your pencil. Yeah, when you make shadow, don't press too hard. Okay, it depends. If you want to make dark shadow, you can press, but if you not, don't press. And this is the nose. Imagine the nose shape that I think can you see the shape there? I think it's like letter L and add some, okay, curve. Okay, yeah, you can repeat again, yeah, if you still not complete yet. And this is the mouth part. Yeah, the mouth part. This is a bit side. Yeah, the position is a bit side, so I draw the right is more than the left. Okay, it's facing the left. Okay, yeah, the lip now. Yeah, actually for drawing you must enjoy whatever the result. Okay, whatever the result, just enjoy it. If you think it's not good, you try again, again and again. Okay, it's look like just playing a game. Yeah, this is the mouth shadow. Okay. Yeah, this is the chin now. I measure it. Okay, the important of measure the position is good to make it balanced. So you will get the right position first, and then you mark it, and then you can draw, and then you can dark it like that. The process. Okay, and this is the chin part. Oh yeah, I do this without time lapse. Yeah. Why? Because I want the people follow my drawing, follow the way I'm draw. So you and me can draw together. Okay. But some point for the finishing touch, I can make it time lapse. Okay. Oh yeah, for this one, I try to finish this, complete it properly. Okay, you see the line of the hair. Okay, you can draw the boundary of the hair first, and then after that you can draw shadow of the eyes by draw many lines, especially on the corner of the hair. Look at this. Yeah, I draw the other hair. Yeah, I give you tips how to draw the hair. First you draw the boundary first. Look at this. Okay, where's the hair position? You must know that, and then you have the boundary. Okay. Okay, this one. See. Okay. Yeah. See, I boundary first, the full part. After this, look at this. Yeah, the full part. This is the full part. Okay. Yeah, and then I can draw the hair, the soft hair, the shadow of the hair with the short line on the corner. Look at this. Yeah. I hope you not bored with my drawing. If you have any idea, you just tell me. Yeah, just give me the comment. Now I try to time lapse, and I smudge this with my finger. If you don't like to do it with your finger, you can use some tissue by folding the corner. Okay, see, I smudging with the finger because I like. Okay, I like to smudge with my finger. I think after this my finger getting dirty, I can swipe with the tissue. Okay, that is the way I do. Okay, and after this I gonna show you how to use dousel. What is the dousel? Dousel is the rubber, like to make it soft, the softener that made from the paper. Okay, made from the paper. The shape like a pencil. Okay, I still do with the charcoal to draw the hairline. Yeah. Yeah, I look at the dark side and I shadow it. Now this is the dousel that I told you before. Yeah, I make it soft, the detail especially with the dousel. See? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I make it soft with the dousel. Oh yeah, in my drawing I run for the time to do this drawing, right? That's why I do time lapse for some part of the clip. But in the real life, I suggest you better you do give more time to your drawing. Okay, give finishing touch. Okay, don't look at my time here, only 11 minutes. That is actually not really 11 minutes, it's need 20 minutes to do. But mostly when I want to do realistic drawing, I give the time around 2 hours. Okay, even the other artists sometimes use 5 or 6 hours to make it realistic drawing. That is the point. Okay, okay, thank you very much to visit my channel. Don't forget to open the other playlist, portrait drawing, that useful for the people who want to learn portrait drawing. Thank you very much to watch my channel. Bye bye and success for you.